We made it. We're in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Welcome to our next adventure. Always a lot of stop and go traffic on this main stretch going through Gatlinburg. A lot of pedestrians crossing the road. Ah, yes, downtown Gatlinburg. Always a pleasure to be here. It's been a while. I'm really excited about this. We're walking to our first destination, but we'll stop and take a look at some crazy stuff in Gatlinburg on the way. You don't get any better than this. The entire town is like one big roadside attraction. The Space Needle. No, not the one in Seattle. Gatlinburg has a claim to the name as well. This town is so weird. I love everything about it. I've seen stranger things, but this is pretty strange. But this is Gatlinburg for you. You can see that the trees are starting to heal. The brush is starting to grow back since the wildfires a couple of years ago. It's looking a lot better these days. Our first stop, Ober Gatlinburg. We're going to take the tramway up the side of the mountain to the very top and see what all the excitement's about. About to get our tickets for the tram to the top of the mountain, to Ober Gatlinburg. They have a large-scale model of the entire complex, including the tramway to the top of the mountain. Here's the tram. We're about to get on and go all the way to the top of the world. Here we go. Getting on the tram. We're about to head out of the station.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Harmon. I'll be your driver going up. It's 2.1 mile up. Takes 10 minutes to get there, and we're doing 17 miles an hour. It may be up going out of the dock. Hold on to the babies. Hold on to the ladies. We're going to swing over 6 towers. How many is this the first time on the tram? Not 2. As we're going up, folks, the bears are not hibernating yet, so kind of look down. You may or may not see bears. Please hold on to it, ladies. We're pretty full, so it is gonna swing. Here we go. All right, how many people like that swing? How many didn't like it? Well, got good news, got bad news. Ones that liked it, we got 4 more. For ones that don't like it, guess what? We got 4 more.
Alright, we made it. We made it in one piece. Just checking out everything they have here. Oh my God, this place is loaded up with shops and games and candy and food and even an ice skating rink on the top of the mountain. That is crazy. They're all set up for Christmas this year.
Crazy, Luke.
Wouldn't be a tourist trap without a fudge shop. This is something else weird about this place. They have an arcade with the oldest games I've ever seen. I think you are a little bit big for that, buddy. They even have the classic Star Wars game. I beat this game so many times growing up. Yeah, that's how old it is. I'm 40 years old, and this game is something that I played when I was like 15. Miss Pac-Man, the oldest of the old. They're making fake snow right now, but in about a month, they're gonna have real snow all over this mountain. You making snowballs?
Yep.
Luke and I are on the chairlift now, going all the way to the top of the mountain.
Yes, we are. We are going all the way up.
This is pretty scary because the only thing that's holding us on this chairlift is this bar.
Yep.
Better sit back, buddy.
All right, all right.
It is a very long drop to the ground. And there's Sarah by herself on the chair in front of us. We're going all the way up to the very top, to the summit. Uh-oh, we're stopped. I hope this is not a breakdown, because it would not be cool to be stuck all the way up here. Here we go, we're moving again. Not today. Whoa. Every time we go over one of these towers, it's a really big bump. You know, I'm not entirely sure of the integrity of this chairlift. It's been here for a while. The crows think so too. That must be the only bathroom on the mountain. We've made it quite a long distance up the mountain, and look down there.
You better not look back.
I am looking. Look, all the way down the mountain. Isn't that crazy?
It scared me when I looked back.
We're almost there. We're very close. We made it to the top.
Raise the bar.
Raise the bar.
That's your line. You both going to your right.
All right, wait.
Wait.
To the line. There we go. Off to the right. We made it. We made it, Bear. And there is the best view of the Smoky Mountains. And right now they are actually smoky, which lends to their name, the Smoky Mountains. Some of the best views of the Smoky Mountains you can find at the top of the chairlift at Ober Gatlinburg.
Ober Gatlinburg.
People going back down the chairlift after spending a little bit of time up here.
We rode it. Why turn it back around?
We'll be heading right back down that way pretty soon.
I said, I'm free.
Luke's doing his little warm-up dance. It's crazy how far and wide you can see from up here. This was inevitable. We're on the lift now, back on the way down the mountain.
Yes.
And it has dropped in temperature quite a bit. We are freezing cold.
Yeah, by the way, guys, the lights just turned on because
Yeah.
it's about nighttime.
Well, now you can see the side of the mountain. The lights are on.
Yep.
And they let us, all three of us, on the chairlift this time. So cold. Got a long way to go until we get down to the bottom, and it's freezing cold. If you want a snack or a meal, they have the Sidewalk Cafe inside the main building. Checking out the Wildlife Center now. They have some local animals that were rescued, and they can't return them back to the wild or they would die. Hello, Mr. Bear. How are you doing today? Are you hungry? He's a sleepy bear, just hanging out up there on his rock. Wow, this guy is just pacing back and forth. I think he's hungry. Oh, he decided to go for a little swim. Aren't you cold, buddy? Aren't you cold? He's just playing for all the cameras. This bobcat just doesn't want to say hey to anybody. It looks like he's in hunting mode. What do you see, Mr. Bobcat? What do you see? Oh, he sees a bird. He saw that bird. He wants to chase after that bird. This little guy, or should I say not so little guy, is sleeping up in the rafters.
I like this guy, girl.
Ah, open your eyes, buddy. Open your eyes. Come say hey. we got some really cute foxes, an entire fox family. Where's the baby fox?
He snuggled up on the mom.
Oh, it is a baby fox. This is probably the most animated owl I've seen. He likes movement. He likes saying hey. What's up, little buddy?
All through the day, I try to make sure he's going to get the same amount. But that quick time we have an otter fire.
Hey, little guys. Look at you.
Everybody come down here to sleep. Are you ready, guys?
There we go. Go crazy. Hey.
Wow, look at that.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for the Discovery Channel entertainment, guys. This little guy's active. He's a black rat snake. I've been bitten by one of these before. Didn't feel good. We're about to head back down the mountain now. That does it for our trip up to Ober Gatlinburg. That is a big wheel and a big chain. Here we go, back down the mountain.
Yep, that's the lights that we went on. Those white lights.
This place is really busy right now. There are people everywhere this time of year. Oh boy, here we are. Earthquake the Ride. This is our first time trying it out, but I've heard lots of good things about this. They just updated it apparently. So let's see what all the hype's about. Oh my god, this looks so awesome. This is gonna be fun.
It's time for Earthquake the Ride.
You ready for this? Let's do it.
An actual train ride full of real action, real special effects, real fun, thrills, and entertainment. Trains leave approximately every catastrophic disaster train line during an earthquake.
Creepy. You guys are waiting here too? Looks like you've been waiting here for a long time. Here's our train we're gonna get on soon.
Earthquake the Ride is rated 4 stars by World of Entertainment Incorporated. Now it's time.
We're heading back. Here we go. Oh my god. Let's get the front so we can see everything.
I want to go in the back.
I'm sitting at the front. The kids were too scared, so they went to the back. Lame. Just waiting for the train to leave the station. One of these days. Oh, here comes the train.
Station control, we have a train on our track and it's coming at us.
Whoa!
Come out of the road, Ken, We're experiencing a minor tremor. Nothing to worry about, but stay calm.
Oh, the rats! Oh, that was awesome.
I'm not ever riding this again.
What? You didn't like it, buddy?
No!
You didn't like it?
It was so...
I thought it was awesome. I want to do it like 3 more times. There you go. Now you're on the vlog. What's up, guys?
Hello.
24 right now, but if you guys subscribe,
Okay, we're gonna subscribe. What's the channel? Subscribers. Subscribe to my channel.
this is the Gatlinburg Mountain Mall. We're about to go inside and check this out. This has been around here for a while. Hey, Beauregard, nice to see you again. I don't know when this was built, but this is the most awesome wishing well I've ever seen. Most of the shops are closed right now because it's getting kind of late. Place is all decked out for a true mountain Christmas. They just had to have a huge candy store. We're about to make our wishes. All right.
Yeah. All right.
That was pretty fast. It's time to make a wish. There's the sky bridge that we haven't done yet. One of these days. Apparently there's a glass panel in the middle of the bridge that you can look straight down to your doom. There's the Space Needle, all lit up for nighttime. That's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you like it here, please subscribe to the channel. By doing so, it'll keep you up to date on further adventures. Get instant updates for future uploads by ringing that notification bell. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. See you next time.